Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I have a really exciting and fun video for you for my next craft fair project. This is actually my mom's craft fair project. She is a guest crafter here on my channel, and we are so excited to be showing you these cute Appliquéd pencil pouches. They're altered and they're so adorable. She was able to put her spin on the decoration of these, and just wait till you see where she got the little pouches and what she uses to decorate them. As you can see here, she's kind of showing you what the item looks like. She's got her little business card attached to the back. It's just like removable, and some cute little pencils and a pen. And as you can see, the adorable appliques. This is my cute mom here showing you her adorable pencil cases, taking you through them. And she's even got them packaged up so nicely in these clear bags. They are from clearbags.com, and I'm going to link them below and also offer you a coupon code that you can go over for 10% off, and I'll put it here across the screen. And so I love that owl one. Isn't it so cute? So she's going to actually do a tutorial here on my channel. And my mom wanted me to do voiceover, but you know what? When she was doing her explaining in the tutorial and everything, I think that she explains it even better than I ever would. So I left that audio in for you. So before I have my mom start the tutorial, I'm going to go over the materials that she used. She used this cute little pencil pouch from Target, and you can use any, fabric pencil case or pouch. She used 2 appliques, those cute little bikes, and the little bicycles there are from her Etsy shop, and I'll go more into that in a little bit. Some double-sided tape, pencils, a pen, that's, optional, a little piece of scrap fabric, scissors, and something to iron on. So she's using a little placemat. So I'm just kind of doing a little overview here of what she used. I don't know if I mentioned, but you need double-sided tape and some sort of, if you want to package it up like she did, you'll need a clear bag. And again, those are going to be linked below, the ones she used here. So I hope you enjoy her tutorial. Cut anything out.
Okay, I got these really cute little zipper bags from Dollar Spot at Target. They were only $1. And then here's 2 appliques. They're really easy to use. You just peel the paper backing off. And my secret way that a lot of people don't know, you act like you're going to tear the applique. But when you pull it like that, all it does is tear the paper, and it makes it real easy to grab and take it off. And then you lay it where you'd like it. Same thing, I act like I'm going to tear it, but all I do is really tear the paper. It comes off really easily. And you only have to iron these for about 5 seconds. You don't have to do it very long. Just long enough to heat up the glue. And then when you have your iron, you press it so the glue pushes into the fabric. This is probably made out of polyester. So, to be safe, I put a piece of any cotton fabric on top of it to use like a pressing cloth. And then what I always use as a portable ironing board, I just use an old placemat. And that way I can iron on any surface anywhere without messing up the surface. I have this little Conair iron that my daughter Bree got for me, and I just love it. It's just really little and portable. I can keep it by my desk. I don't have to move to an ironing board. I keep it on a little bit lower than cotton. It's like about a wool setting. Okay, and then I iron for about 5 seconds, and I try to get all the edges And I'm pressing down as I do this so that the glue melts into the fabric. Now I leave it alone just for a second. Feel it, and then just peel off and make sure it looks like, touch your little edges, make sure they're down, that you didn't miss them. So they should be good. And that's all you have to do. Because if this was a t-shirt or something that you're going to wash all the time, you might want to stitch the edges or put some fabric paint on the edges, but it's not likely that this pencil case is going to be washed. So you just leave it just like that and they'll stay down. They'll last a long time. Now, I want to give something with the pencil case. So I got some pencils. I got some pencils and a pen, and I tried to pick cute colors. Some of my pencil cases I have little sayings on them. These are just cute colored pencils. And I'll put them on this way. And using Amber's idea, I bought some double-sided tape, and I put a little paste in a couple spots down here, and it'll stop my pencils from rolling around in the package, and it'll leave them displayed really cute. That way people don't have to open this up to see what's in it. And I stick 3 pencils on there. And then I stick a pen, a color-coordinated pen. And there you go. That's all there is to it. And I figure I'm probably going to sell these for about $5. Now, I wanted to incorporate my business card in the package, so I put a little piece of the double-sided tape on the back of the business card, but I'm not going to stick it on yet. I'm going to get my clear bag, and I already pulled off the strip. This is about 8 by 10, but Amber will give you the exact dimensions. So I slide the pencil case inside, and the pencils are staying in place with that tape. And after I have it inside, then I stick in my business card. Because if you try to do them both at the same time, the business card pops off. But if you do it like that, you're good to go. And then I've got the business card on, and I got the pencils on, and now all I have to do is close it.
Now say that again.
Okay, and there's your cute little, really simple project. All packaged, ready to go. There you go. It's all done.
Okay, keep holding it there. Everybody, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video with my wonderful guest crafter, my mom. And she had a lot of fun making this video. We had fun together. So I know you noticed that we didn't do a tutorial on the appliques themselves. We wanted to keep this really simple. And I just wanted to let you know that my mom, this is her specialty. Her appliques are her favorite thing to do, and she's got an Etsy store stocked with all of the most adorable appliques you can ever imagine. And she is offering everybody that's viewing this video a 10% off code, which I'm going to put across the screen here, to get 10% off of her iron-on appliques in her Etsy shop. And I'm going to link her Etsy shop below. And again, she's giving you 10% off of your purchase of her iron-on appliques. And you guys, she has so many beautiful, beautiful appliques, and she is known for having the most impeccable fussy cutting ever. The appliques that she sells are just amazing. They're ready to go. So you just order like a set of whatever kind you want, and they're ready to be ironed, ready to, the backing to be peeled off and ironed just like she showed you in the video. So I'm just kind of taking you here, scrolling through her Etsy shop, just showing you a little quick teaser of some of the ones that she has. And she has these cute little campers that are coming up. But look at all these beautiful, beautiful appliques. And again, she's giving you 10% off. So check the link below. Look at these little campers. I love those so much. And the possibilities are just endless with these things. So again, thank you so much for watching. And everything's going to be linked below. The clearbags.com coupon code, her Etsy store along with her coupon code. And of course, I'll link all my previous craft fair videos for you in case you want to have like a little craft fair marathon. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, everyone.